In this lesson, we will discuss Flight Controls Introduction, Controls and Indications, Flight Control Computers, and the ECAM Flight Control page. The A320 was the first commercial airliner to utilize a digital fly-by-wire flight control system. All flight control surfaces are electrically controlled and hydraulically actuated. This eliminates most of the traditional mechanical complexity and results in reduced weight, reduced maintenance costs, and increased reliability. It also provides optimum aircraft performance and improved fuel efficiency. Control surfaces on the A320 are conventional. Pitch control is achieved by two elevators mounted on a trimmable horizontal stabilizer. There are 5 spoiler panels and 1 aileron on each wing. Roll control is achieved by the ailerons and spoilers 2, 3, 4, and 5. In-flight speed brakes are provided by spoilers 2, 3, and 4, and ground spoilers are provided by all 5 spoiler panels on each wing. Yaw control is achieved by a one-piece rudder mounted on the vertical stabilizer. The trimmable horizontal stabilizer, or THS, and the rudder, in addition to electrical control, are mechanically linked to cockpit controls to provide a means of controlling the aircraft should a temporary, complete loss of electrical power occur. Each wing has 2 trailing edge flap surfaces and 5 leading edge slat surfaces that act as lift augmentation devices for takeoff and landing. The pitch trim wheels, flaps lever, speed brake lever, and rudder trim switch are located on the center pedestal. A set of rudder pedals are located at each pilot station. Note there is no aileron trim. Touch a control location to see an enlargement or the right arrow to continue. The flaps and slats position indicator is found on the upper ECAM display unit. Additional flight control information is found in the memo section. The traditional control column has been replaced by a side stick controller. The side stick, along with an auto trim system, enables the pilot to fly the aircraft more smoothly, with more precision and less effort, and provides a more comfortable ride for the passengers. Inputs from the side stick or from the autopilot are processed by the flight control computers, which command the control surface actuators to move as necessary. This system enhances flight safety by providing complete protection against flight outside the normal flight envelope and protects against stall, wind shear, overstress, and overspeed. The side stick controllers are located on the side consoles. Flight control is achieved by 3 types of computers, arranged to provide redundancy and failure protection. Different manufacturers, different hardware, and different software have been used to eliminate the potential for common errors. Electrical power sources are also from different electrical buses. There are 2 elevator aileron computers, or ELACs, for elevator stabilizer and aileron control. 3 spoiler elevator computers, or SECs, for normal spoilers control and standby elevator and stabilizer control. And 2 flight augmentation computers, or FACs, for electrical rudder control. 1 SEC, or 1 ELAC, is capable of controlling the aircraft in both the roll and pitch axis. The electronic flight control switches are located on the left and right sides of the overhead panel. The ECAM flight control page is displayed automatically with certain flight control faults and can be selected at any time with a flight control push-button switch on the ECAM control panel. The ECAM wheel page also duplicates the ground spoiler status. In this lesson, we have discussed Flight Controls Introduction, Controls and Indications, Flight Control Computers, and the ECAM Flight Control page.